So I unplugged it and I plugged it back in. Now it's checking its axis, it's resetting, and I think it's gonna actually print the correct way, because you can see over here it's shifted. For my experience, when you pause the print, it doesn't check its axis correctly, so the printer is off. So if my experience is correct, it's gonna print off. You see that right here? You see this? He shifted the line correctly back. You see that over here? Oh yeah, so just like I expected what's gonna happen. If you unplug it, it actually checks the axis, but if you pause it, it doesn't check the axis. So it's printing, the print shifted this way, and that's why I have this bump over here. I unplugged it and it shifted back that way. So the software, when you pause the Creality printer, it's off when you pause it. Don't pause your printer. You literally have to unplug it in order for you print not to shift like the way it's doing right now. Yeah, you see that? It's way off. It's off again. It fixed itself, but it's too late because the print. Sorry, this is a 13-hour print job. It's ruined.